Good morning, children. Today I am taking maths for 4th standards. Today date is 29 August 2020 and the day is Saturday. First lesson, numbers and their place value. In the previous classes, you learned digits up to 4 digits. In this class, we are discussing about 5-digit numbers. Before starting 5 digits number, let me ask some of the questions. So, in 1 digit, how many places are there? In 1 digits, only 1 place. What is the place? That is ones place. In the 2-digit number, how many places have? In the 2 digits, there are 2 places. What are the places? Ones place and the tens place. In the 3-digit number, there are new places. What is the places? That is 100 place. So, in 3 digit, how many places are there? 3 places. What are they? Ones place, tens place and the 100 place. And in the 4-digit number, how many digits are? 4 digits. So, how many places are there? There are 4 places. What are they? Ones place, tens place, 100 place and the thousands place. So, in this class, we are going to discuss about 5-digit numbers. So, what is the largest 4-digit number? The largest 4-digit number is 9999. 4 times 9. 4 times 9 means it is a largest 4-digit number. If we add 1 to the largest 4-digit number, what the answer we get? We get 10,000. That is how many digits? 5 digits, right? So, this is about 5-digit class. So, if we add 1 to the largest 4-digit number, we get smallest 5-digit number. 10,000 is a smallest 5-digit number. Similarly, if we add 1 to the largest 1-digit number, we get smallest 2-digit number, right? If we add 1 to the largest 2-digit number, what is the largest 2-digit number? Largest 2-digit number is 99. Plus, if we add 1 to the largest 2-digit number, we get smallest 3-digit number. 99 plus 1 is how much? 100. 100 is a smallest 3-digit number, right? Then, what is the largest 3-digit number? The largest 3-digit number is 999. Correct, no? If we add 1 to the largest 3-digit number, we get smallest 4-digit number, right? 1000. We get 1000, right? 1000 is a smallest 4-digit number. In the same way, if we add 1 to the largest 4-digit number, we get smallest 5-digit number. What is the smallest 5-digit number? 10,000. Here, another new places is there. What is the place called? The place is 10,000 place. Understood, no? In short, how you are going to write 10,000? T for 10, TH for 1000. How you are going to write ones? O you are going to write as ones as O, tens as 10, T, hundreds as H, TH for 1000, and for 10,000, what you are going to write in short? TH is the short form for 10,000. Okay. Next is its value increases how many times? 10 times. From 3 to 2 increases 10 times. 2 to 9 increases 10 times. 9 to 4 10 times. 4 to 6 is increasing 10 times. For example, we have 6, 4, 2, 9, 2, 3. It is a how many digit? It has 5 digits, right? So let us place this number in a place chart. Your 3 is in which place? 3 is in 1's place. So write 3 in the 1 place and 2. 2 is in which place here? 2 is in 2nd place. That is 10's place. Write 2 in the 10's column and 9. 9 is in which place? 3rd place. 3rd place is 100's column. Write 9 in the 100 place and 4 in the 1000 place and 6 in the 10,000 place. Here the place value has been separated into 2 periods. See here, according to the Indian standard system, we are separating place value into 2 groups, 2 periods. Here we have 5 digits, so we are separating these. Here we have 2 periods. What is the periods? 1's period and 1000 periods. We are separating this place value into how many periods? 2 periods. Here, what are the periods called? 1's period and the 1000 period. Next, 1's period is again divided into 3 places. 1 periods have how many places? 3 places. What are the places? 1's, 10's and 100 place. 1's period having how many places? 1's place, 10's place and the 100 place, right? Next, similarly, 1000 period as divided into 2 places. What are the places? 1000 and 10,000 places. 1's period having how many places? 3 places. What are the places? 1's, 10's, 100. 1000 period having 2 places, 1000 place and the 10,000 place. This period, while writing the numbers, we are separating by what? Comma. See here, 3 after 3 we separated by using comma. Understood, no?